Guys, I want you to check out, you may have heard of Reuse It before, but we're very excited to start working with these guys. This is a relatively new product, a year or so old, and it's doing incredibly well, especially with this whole COVID situation and barriers needing to be put up, dust barriers and you know, like in dentist's office and doctor's offices and stuff like that, they've had to put all these barriers up, and these guys have been killing it with these things because they're a reusable zipper system. So you've seen these other dust barriers where you put up and it's like a one and done. You got all the plastic up, and once you put it all on and stick it all together, when you're finished with the job, you gather the whole thing up and you throw it in the garbage. Well, this is different. You put these, so these kits come with these strips, these Velcro strips that go on, but then the zipper itself Velcros to it, and then when you're finished, you pull it off and you reuse this. That's why it's called Reuse It. So you'll keep using the zipper part and just replacing the sticky backer for your jobs. So a fantastic product. I'm really excited to get into it. Not only do they have that, but they have a magnetic wall system. So this one here allows you to open up, walk through, and not use the zipper. You walk through both ways, and it recloses and seals itself afterwards. Imagine the ease on a job site, not having to bend over and try to zip that wall up every time. Guys, I'm really excited to work with them, and there'll be some giveaways and some great things to learn about from them soon to come.